Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about this new innovative app or a solution that three people have come up with, which essentially helps to identify people and also offer them a cryptocurrency. So it's called Worldcoin. So essentially, what they're going to do is they will scan the iris of people, and they have a definitive number, so of a target number to achieve in over a certain period of time. So we're going to talk about all of that today. Now, why this is interesting is because they are offering a free crypto, their own crypto coin, in return for scanning the iris. So, which is interesting. So, which means they also are looking to, grow that cryptocurrency in some way or the other, and they are well funded, by the way. So, it's not a company which is likely to be an overnight fly by night kind of a company. It has, and the people behind the company are have credibility. The leadership has credibility, and hence it's worth talking about. So we're going to talk about all that today. Before we do that, as usual, my request to you: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and I can then craft out a video based on your requirement. And also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, before we start, we talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job to become an entrepreneur. It talks about my preparation before I took that journey of becoming an entrepreneur. It talks about the challenges I faced as an entrepreneur, and it also talks about how I overcame those challenges as an entrepreneur. Now, I reckon a lot of you would be, especially those who are in full-time day jobs, would be looking to leave your jobs and start on your own and become an entrepreneur. So before we do that, I thought I'll give you a helping hand, and I put down 3 worksheets in this ebook. These worksheets have certain questions. You have to answer certain questions. The objective is to gauge your preparedness as an entrepreneur. So you would score certain points, and towards the end, you will see where you stand. I have also scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010 after answering those questions, and you would know how much I scored. You would also know how successful I am as an entrepreneur with 2 companies today, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US markets. Now, the coolest thing about this ebook is that it's available for you for free of charge. It's available on my website. I put down the link is actually currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the link in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Let's talk about Worldcoin. So let's try and understand this particular concept. A team behind a new cryptocurrency is aiming to fast-track mass digital asset adoption, and to achieve this, they want to scan people's iris. 1 billion by 2023 to be exact. That's the target. Worldcoin, which came out of stealth recently, will give its cryptocurrency to each person who signs up. So far, it has scanned more than 100,000 people from around the world through a new device called the Orb. The coin will go live in the first quarter of 2022. The spherical silver hardware, about the size of a basketball, captures an image of a person's eyes to determine whether the person is real or whether that person has already signed up in the past. Founded by former heads of Y Combinator Sam Altman along with Alex Blanier and Max Novenstern. It has raised $25 million to date and is currently valued at about $1 billion with star investors. Uh, with star investors like Anderson Horowitz, Coinbase Venture Coin Fund, and angel investors like LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman, FTX founder Sam Banksman-Fried. So all these people are behind this particular crypto or this particular company. So which I would reckon is quite a positive news. So the leadership is strong, the investors are strong, and hence it does make sense for you or any investor or anybody who is looking to use this technology should go ahead, even if you want to become, let's say, a partner for this company or a distributor for this company. So let's talk about the iris scan now. The team chose to scan the iris because it contains far more information than, for instance, a fingerprint, which is very, very true, and that's why facial recognition has come in. An age limit of 16 to 18 applies depending on the jurisdiction. Currently, there are about 30 orbs in 12 countries across 4 continents. Once the iris is scanned, a unique code can be used for claiming free digital tokens, which will be distributed via a wallet app generated by the orb. They plan to ramp up production to distribute over 4K orbs per month or 50K a year. They would license the orbs, which were designed by former Apple employees Thomas Mehrhofer, to contractors across the globe who go through rigorous interviews and verification. The company won't get anything in return for an iris scan. Once the orb scans both eyes, it will convert the iris image into a numeric code, which will then be deleted to protect the person's privacy. So all these privacy aspects, all these points have been taken care of so that you do not disclose the person's identity. All that is disclosed is the iris scan. I reckon in the future they will use it to sell to companies in different countries, different local markets, in different geographies. I guess that's the eventual business plan. So what's about the new crypto? Traders who want to buy the crypto when it launches on the Ethereum blockchain can do so even without having its having their iris scan. They will just not get a free share of the currency. How many people will receive it is still undecided, but the amount will range. How much people will receive is still undecided, but the amount will range from $20 to $100 depending upon when they sign up. Worldcoin plans to have a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens, with 80% allocated to users, 10% to investors, and 10% to manufacturers, operators, developers of the orbs, and the network. So overall, I think it's a great, seems to be a great solution. Any one of you who is looking to be, who's not yet in the crypto world and is looking to get in, I think this is a great route to use. So the summary is, to me, even if you're an individual person who wants to get into a crypto world, you could do that. If you're an investor, you could invest in this company. If you're an operator or a manufacturer, you could get in and manufacture, help them manufacture. If you are a distributor or you are a wholesaler or you have salespeople who could help them, penetrate deep into different local markets, you could even do all of that. All you have to do is to go to their website and register yourself. So overall, I think it's a great solution. If this, especially because it's backed by great leaders and great investors, and if they really have the right intention, I think you should go for it. That's my 2 cents on this particular new company. But please do watch out and see where they go from here. I would also like to, so that you are in a better position to understand cryptocurrency, I would like to point to you to a video I did some months ago on 5 aspects that you should look at before you invest in a crypto. I'll put the link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It'll be useful to you. I've spoken about great leadership in that book as well, in that video as well. So, well, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it. Go to my profile page. If you like my profile page, please send me an invite. As a profession, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put down the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can communicate and see how we can work together. So before we wrap up, well, thank you very much for listening to me once again. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell. Please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.